stop for CBS.
Bill! Okay, it is, 6-ish still. We're at the lower portion of Kahukai. This is where the blowtorch was, and cannot believe the sulfur deposits. I mean, check out the coloring. Check this out. Bill, you gotta get out of there, man.
I can't breathe anymore.
I know, get out of there. Look at that sulfur. And what? Oh, is there red? There is red, Bill. There's red. Right in here. There's red. Right up in there.
Okay, be careful. It's probably under our feet. Oh, there it is. There's a blowtorch. There's a blowhole right there.
Get his hand out of my picture.
I got a big old hand. Can you see it better at that angle?
Come over here.
Okay.
We'll switch.
Okay.
Man, there's
oh, my feet.
There's red right there. Of course your feet is getting hot.
Feet's getting hot. Yeah.
I don't know if that's going to show.
I'm glad I got good quality boots on.
I don't know if that's going to show or not, guys.
But there's hot lava right here.
And again, don't worry.
I can't breathe no more than...
We're still safe.
I have to go.
Woo! Got a little dizzy there.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Let's walk around. Oh boy.
I'm keeping rolling because this is so funny.
No, it's foul. Not in a good way. It's really foul.
Where are you going? Come on.
I'm too big to get through.
Oh man, so as we were walking down here, Bill was giving me his take on what's happening, and that is that the lava down at 17, he thinks is starting to back up towards here, and that was, Bill, that was evidence.
Yes,
that red.
Thank you, sir.
Evidence.
I had good science teachers in school.
I fell asleep in my science classes.
I give all the credit to my science teachers for making these observations.
So because you guys have been following along on this adventure, you're able now to see what we see when we're out exploring. There's a big boom.
Big crack right there.
Yeah, there's big cracks in this driveway.
Oh my.
My is right. Okay, aloha.